Subscribe the HN Studio channel and press the bell icon for future updates.
What's up guys, HN Styles here from HN Studio. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a photo look better. So without wasting of any time, let's get started. First, make sure if you didn't have camera or filter in your filters tab, then simply click on Edit, Preferences, and Camera Raw. Select the third option in both JPEG and TIFF. Then click OK. Now open a photo of someone you'd like to use for this project. Now use these sliders to adjust your photo. Now click here. Now click on Hue. Now use these sliders to adjust your colors. Now click on Saturation. Now use these sliders to saturate your color. Now click on Luminance. Now use these sliders to make color lighter or darker. Now click on Open Image. So guys, that's all for now. Meet you in another video. So till then, keep smiling and be happy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you